Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my vlog channel, my actual first vlog. What's up, bros? And I'm gonna do a vlog, alright? And I'm gonna go to the park, alright? How about that?
Catch me outside.
How about that? Get him set back there. I'm gonna miss you. But we're gonna make a vlog. Hopefully my iPod is fully charged. So we're gonna make a vlog. We're gonna go to the park. And we're gonna go play basketball with my friend first, and then we're gonna go watch my friend play baseball a little bit, and then after that we will come back or maybe go for a bike ride. How about that? How about that? All right. So I will meet you guys when we get to the park, or I'll just bike to the park with my camera. So yeah, be right back until I'm on the bike. So yeah. All right, guys, I'm here on my bike, heading out, trying to hold a basketball, and trying to head out here on my bike with a basketball in my hand. Okay, there are my basketballs. I dropped it. Just gotta close my gate, but we're gonna bike there. Hopefully I have no problems. Okay. So that'd be a big problem. Hey, I'm gonna meet my friend at the park. So let's try and do this. My knee on my cut. It's like a kind of a scar cut. Yeah. I'm doing good. Biking, I'm doing very good. So, park's just down the road from where I live, so that means I'll be there in a flash. It's just straight down here. I see it right now, and I'm gonna try and beat my friend here. If he's trolling me and I come here and I'm waiting here, he just ruined my vlog. Okay, he ruined it. I found him.
We should go to Josh's game, and record some of that, eh?
Maybe. I found him. I found you.
Oh. 1-3 for the boys.
No. You gotta let the camera guy do it. Yeah. He always has luck.
What color is Josh's team?
Blue. Oh!
Okay.
Camera guy has luck. Okay, ready? Camera guy, 2 times. Roll. Hashtag destiny.
Yeah, I know, right?
Couple scratches is alright. Alright.
I hear Destiny's and she spins and
He goes,
bro. She actually
yeah, alright. Guys, I'm sorry, I dropped it, alright? We're gonna go watch some baseball after this, alright? Oh, I'm so accurate!
Oh.
No, that's off.
Oh yeah, that's gone.
And the camera shakes a lot, you know? No, just let that. Got it. If you make that half-court shot, I'll give you $1. First try.
Okay.
First try, I'll give you $5.
I can't shoot that far, so I gotta get a run up.
Alright. Camera guy. Alright, switch the camera. Don't make my helmet fall off. I don't want to go right over there and be like, that's gonna lie. Are we gonna sit on we're not gonna sit on the thing. We're gonna sit on the grass, right? There's so much people. So much people on the thing.
Well, even if we put myself in a dog, we sit there.
Yeah, no.
It's like the best.
There's a person in my baseball climbing on dugout. The ump's like, time! It's like, sir, you have to get off the dugout. And they're like, oh.
Shit, snag.
Yeah. Dude, this team. Oh, I think that's Stussy, to be honest. That's obviously
You're
Thussy.
so fucking accurate with your throws.
You remember Mark Thuss, our VIP teacher?
Yeah.
That's him over there at third base. That's Josh's coach. That's obviously Thussy.
Yeah. That's a pine cone
No, you fucking don't. And all you hear is just that about. Okay, I'm gonna stop it and come back when Josh is hitting or pitching. Like if you can. If he strikes out, I'm gonna make fun of him because I struck out once. Oh, he's doing signs.
Look at that. He's like swinging his bat.
Oh, strike. Strike!
What if that person got nailed? What if anyone got nailed? That'd be good for the views.
Kid got nailed.
He got nailed. Violent. In brackets, violent.
Oh, that's 2 strikes for Josh. Let's go, buddy.
Wait, if they get 3 strikes and then an out, and then that's what it is for the outs they have to get? What do they call? Hold on.
And if it's a tip and falls on the ground,
He tipped it?
no, if it's a strike and falls on the ground, then he can run. Ooh. You got a tip. You got a tippy. Tippy tap tap toop.
Foul in a half. No. Foul in 1/4 right there.
Foul in 1/4. What are you saying? You're always like, oh, foul in 1/4. Yep. Oh, that's an infield catch. He's done. Oh no, Josh. Good try. Don't. Yeah, let's just zoom in on Josh when he watches.
There's like a little dildo right there they keep hitting. See that?
There's not a dildo. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep zooming in on Josh, and once he watches this, he's gonna be like, "What the frick?"
It looks like a dildo. I'm not even gonna like lie.
That does not look like.
Like the thing that they keep hitting, the like rubber thingy that like flops around like a dildo.
It's not rubber.
It looks like.
All right, guys, in the comments, does that not look like a girl? Shut up.
Wait, you gotta.
Yeah, it's there.
There.
Okay, get out of here, Noah. Get your freaking ass out of here.
Okay, vote if it looks like a boy or a girl.
Yeah.
And we all know it looks like a girl.
Yeah.
Which one you're back on?
It's my vlog.
Yeah, it's his vlog.
Oh, your vlog. Look at that girl over there with the dog.
I want a dog.
She's taking a... Ah, boy!
What was that, Noah?
Oh. Yeah, like, bro, why'd you really lick that, Noah? Oh my god, that's disgusting.
Yeah, it's disgusting, bro.
Yeah, I know.
You'll see it in the thumbnail.
Yeah.
And if you watch the whole vlog, you'll see him. He licked bird poop.
Yeah. Literally, I didn't even get to record it. I got to do the picture right away because he was like, okay, I'm doing it. I got freaking took massive pictures, so I'm like putting that as my thumbnail right there. You literally licked that.
I licked beside it.
You just... No, you didn't. You licked right there. Look at this, guys. No, look at that. He licked that. 2, 3. Yeah, okay.
Oh.
What are you trying to do, bro?
Are you gay?
This guy is gay. He tried to pull my pants down.
What kind of gay are you?
Okay, look at this guy. He has those rainbow socks. I admit he's gay.
Yeah, I
like,
know.
come on, buddy. And look at his sex.
Yeah,
what are you
whatever.
saying?
I don't know. He got a purple and pink hoverboard, and a hoverboard. You call this pink, and you called it a hoverboard.
He freaking paints it.
Let's like light purple and purple.
It's called freaking
Ripstick. Yeah, it's pretty disgusting.
I know, like. It's not my favorite.
We'll call him Yag because that's backwards gay.
Y'all still think.
Okay, yeah, there's a fighter. That was on my iPod.
Actually, though?
Yeah, it was crawling up my iPod.
Get away from it, get away.
It's not on me. But that was freaking quick as
How big was it?
dude, it was like that. And it was so fast. I'm like, holy shit, it was climbing up my iPod. I'm like, ah! I'm not touching that.
Gets a light purple and purple ripstick.
And it was red and black. That's like the best colors.
Get a hoverboard.
That's like the best colors right there. Like red and black, but no, you just.
I know, red and black's like a good color combination. Shut up.
And then like purple and light purple.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it like a $200
Dude, it's Bella. Let's go. Yes, that's Bella. Stop. It's Bella. Hi, Bella.
Her stepbrother plays on my soccer team, so.
You guys want to go to basketball now and play some
bad
It's like.
Alright, let's go, guys. Let's go. Oh. Dude, look what's happening. Dude, I need to try this after. No, you just suck. Just admit it. Nick.
No way, they're actually. They're going at it. Go record that. He's chasing them.
Dude, get out of the way, Noah. Pick off, you bugs. Dude, they're showing up right now. He's chasing them. Should I go walk over there?
Dude, he's talking shit. You call him a scary cat.
How'd you hear that? Oh, dude, he's running after him. Dude, he's running after him. Oh, dude. Dude, there's so much weird stuff. Come on, duel! They're dueling! They're dueling! Look! Dude, that guy in the black shirt is just like... Here, let me try this for the vlog. If I fall off...
What's up?
It's gonna be a graphic vlog if I get on this. If I fall...
Tristan, you should bring this ball to school.
Here, let me see, Nick. It's gonna be graphic if I start bleeding.
Yeah, that's we should flip me.
Yeah, let's go.
You're gonna record it.
Can you even get on?
The ripstick challenge. Yo, you want me to show you how you actually
Start. Okay, put your left foot on and then push off with your right foot. And while you're going, go with your right foot.
Yeah, juicy wiggle. All right, I got this. Move. No. Go to juicy wiggle.
You're stupid.
Well, you don't put your back foot on first.
You idiot.
You don't put your back foot on first. You're riding it backwards, you dumbass.
Where did I put my right foot on first?
This one.
No. The front. Actually.
Okay, I'm trying.
Oh,
Let's
wait,
go.
let me see this.
Oh, he's just gonna show us up. Thanks, I guess.
Yo, you use the dark purple first. No, and you go the other way. Oh my god.
This way.
Here, let me try it. I'll record.
Stand like this. Stand like this. No, like this. Over on this side.
Tristan. Let me get some footage.
Yo, you guys.
Yeah, and then push off with your right, so you start going. No, that you're doing it the wrong way. Here,
So-
here, Tristan.
Yo,
Here,
you
you
hold the
record,
camera.
you record.
How do you do this?
Don't shake it.
Sorry.
Or, okay, you put your left foot on and you go push
Yeah.
up, then put your right foot on. I almost fell off there.
Alright, let's do this. I can try this now.
Okay, Tristan, you sure you can try it?
Yes,
Tristan, look back at the camera and tell you that you can try it.
I can do it. Nick, let's go. I can do this now. I believe that you teach me. Stop zooming into his butt, you yag.
I'm not. You guys are going far over there, so I have to zoom in. Oh, shoot!
That's the camera back quick.
I shook the whole time.
Why?
Go like this.
You're such an fucking idiot, Noah.
I'm kidding. I only shook it for like 1 second.
Oh, I did it! What the hell? You guys weren't even looking. I was going like 4 meters.
So guys, what's up? My name's Nicholas Braun. That's cool. That's
Yep.
cool, Tristan. No one cares.
Oh, he's doing it. He's doing it.
Oh!
Noah, pass it.
I need to do this.
Nicholas, watch my bucket.
Nope. Yo, he's doing it.
Is he actually? Yo. Come on, Tristan, get on.
Get the
I'm sorry.
Okay, put the ball down.
Why? Yo, where's your ball?
It's over like there.
Get your ass out of here.
Tristan,
Okay, leave it on the side, right?
you're not good.
Shut up. It's my first time, right? Until
My
you
first
fucking
time I
messed
could
me
ride
up.
it like a natural.
I'm gonna kill you. Negative fucking seconds.
What do you mean negative seconds?
Negative second? What the hell? I'll kill you in that much time.
Oh,
Take that
you had it for like 2 seconds.
Yeah, like 1 second.
Oh,
Oh!
oh, well,
Tristan, if you go around 5 times of these in a row, I'll give you $20. Hmm?
You don't even own $20.
you don't even possess $20, Noah.
Yes?
He's doing it, Noah. He's doing it. You missed. He went for like 5 seconds.
Okay, I went on my flip-flop.
My sister can do it better.
Oh, shut up.
You actually own a ripstick. We both don't. You can practice and stuff. Yo, he's going fast.
So it's been good showing you these clips. So we gotta do a...
Showing you these clips?
Shut up, kid. No. It's been fun showing this video with you. I don't know how to do this in the video. So goodbye.
Dude, it was facing me the whole time.
Oh, shut up.
That's amazing. Alright, that's the end of this vlog, guys.
Tristan's gay.
It says the Yog guy.
Yeah, turns the pants on.
Yeah, and he like, oh my god, likes bird poop. Look at the thumbnail, like.
Bro, I didn't actually like that.
Yes, you did.
Yes, he did. He's just trying to say that. Alright, so that's the end of this vlog, guys. If you enjoyed, subscribe, leave a like, put down comments, push next. And yeah, until next time.
Comment and subscribe.
Wait. We have to do a sick shot. I have to upload this to my Instagram. That's this. Peace! See right here, look at this.
Ah, shit. Shut up, Tristan.
This guy has no leg hair. Guy shaves his legs. This guy shaves his legs.
He was on his the ripstick, right?
And this guy throws a ball at me.
I didn't even know.
It wasn't a ball.
What was it?
Dude, it was a rock. Look at the rock right there.
That rock stain.
Bro, my legs hurt like hell. That was the rock.
He was literally going, freaking hit the rock.
I was going so
went like
fast,
this.
though.
The freaking back came up. He fell straight
Here's
forward.
exactly what happened. He's going, hits the rock, starts skidding, goes over the rock, tips like that. The rock flings back, and he just like. Boom. Exactly what happened. They like flung the rock back.
Hey, that's your elbow.
Okay. For some reason, I started hearing, and then it just failed.
Bro, that actually
I'm gonna
hurts.
record that. Go on Phil Army.
Fail army. Little 12-year-old falls over small rock.
I heard, and then you just fell.
I was actually trying to go so fast. I'm like,
The funny part was you like trying to go fast and you ran over a rock.
it's iron.